First Team 1511 Rolling Thunder's goal is to change the culture. We strive to inspire appreciation of science and technology to create the next generation of STEM superheroes. During our 15 years, we have made a commitment to spread FIRST all around the world in any and every way we can. Big or small, everything matters.
As a student on the team, I've been encouraged to organize and lead different demos, fundraisers, and community service events. During build season, we're also encouraged to lead robot design, marketing, and strategy sub-teams. I was elected to the student leadership team by my peers, and we are responsible for organizing team meetings, trainings, and team building exercises.
I helped demo our robot alongside other teams ranging from FLL Junior to FRC at the Rochester Maker Fair. We've organized a large-scale FIRST exhibit on this event since 2014. My first competition experience was at Rochester Ruckus, our Halloween-themed off-season event that we've run for 14 years. 1511 founded and chairs the committee of FIRST volunteers that plans Ruckus.
I helped set up Rally, a week-zero scrimmage where over 20 local teams are encouraged to test out their new robots. They compete in actual timed matches on a replica field we build.
We invite teams from around the world to the Finger Lakes Regional International Potluck. Last year, I taught them dances to songs that are commonly heard at competitions.
I volunteered at our official FLL qualifier that we hold for local FLL teams in our school's gym.
For the past 5 years, we have attended the first National Advocacy Conference and have been co-organizing it since 2017. I met with the governor's office to discuss a $250,000 bill that would help start New York FIRST teams. State and local representatives come to our events and we visit their offices to advocate for the funding and support of FIRST.
We introduced the founders of the Enable Alliance to FIRST in 2017 and supported the creation of their organization. We are now the contact for all FIRST and FIRST Global teams wanting to get involved. We have 3D printed 48 hands to help children in need around the world, and I have attended EnableCon the past 2 years discussing FIRST and advocacy.
To get kids interested in STEM at a young age, we run low-cost FLL summer camps so that every kid has an opportunity to program and build robots. In 2012, we brought FIRST to all Penfield schools. We started the FTC Team 6996, the oncoming storm to our thunder, which I was a member of.
From semi-pro baseball games to elementary schools, we've held 102 demos in the last 5 years. We participate in causes important to us, writing letters to veterans for Honor Flight and charity walks such as the Stroll for Strong Kids and the Light the Night Walk.
Before coming to high school, I was in the worst mental space I'd ever been in. My mom had just passed away after a 5-year battle with cancer. I felt that I had nowhere and no one to turn to. When I came to the first 1511 meeting, it was obvious that we were more than just a group of people that built robots. We were a family. 1511 provided everything that I needed at that point in time. Friendship, inclusion, and a safe space where I was able to discover my love for engineering. 1511 changed my life.
For 15 years we have experienced hardships and celebration, death and life, but we are always there for each other, in everything we do,